Hey girlies! So today's video is going to be my 6-month update since I shaved my head. I shaved my head back February 2nd of 2018 and it is now August 3rd of 2018. I think it's the 3rd, yeah, it's the 3rd, Friday. So it's honestly so weird to me that it's already been an entire like half of a year, and I feel like this year is just like flying by. So much has happened in my life in the past 6 months, and it's just honestly insane that it's already been a whole 6 months. So I'm going to show you guys my hair, and I'm going to show you everything that I've been like using the past 6 months. But before I get started with that, I want to say a big thank you to everybody that's been supporting Meditate. And if you don't know what Meditate is, that is my new song that I came out with. The music video is on my channel, so if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check it out and share it with your friends and family so they can check it out as well. It is on Spotify, it's on Apple Music, and you can also go ahead and purchase it on iTunes as well, which I'd appreciate. But yeah, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's been supporting me, because honestly, like, it was really scary putting it out and being in that like vulnerable state, because obviously people could be like, oh, we hate it, or they could love it, or you know, both, but it's been nothing but love, so I really appreciate it. So like I said, make sure you check out Meditate if you haven't already. Pause this video or watch it right after this video. So yeah, let's get started with this whole hair thingy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my hair first, because I don't want to wait like 10,000 hours into the video. So this is where my hair is at right now. Let me get a little closer. It was kind of like flattened, but you guys can still like see how much it has grown since the last video. Show you guys how long it is. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, I'm getting some growth in there. It's almost gonna touch my shoulders. We're getting there. But yeah, this is 6 months of since I shaved my head, and I didn't shave it just like down a little bit. I went like bald, you guys, like to the scalp. So yeah, like I'm honestly like, it's so exciting. Like it's just so exciting, like seeing it grow back or grow every single day. I have been taking pictures. I'll like show you guys on my phone. I have this entire album. So I have this entire album where I have basically like ew! I've been like documenting the whole process, and I just like to, you know, like go through it, and like I can literally just like see my hair like slowly like growing back. Like it's so good, like it's so cool. So I will definitely make like a video like a year from now, and like I'll include this like time lapse in it with like all the photos, because I think those are like super cool to watch. But yeah, like this is how my hair looks 6 months later, half a year. So I'm wondering what it's gonna look like. The next video that I make is probably gonna be, I think I'll probably do 9 months. So let's see, we're in August, so September, October, November. So 9 months will be November, and that's right before my birthday. I'm gonna be 22. I'm not looking forward to it. Honestly, like 21 like is already like grandpa for me. Like I'm old, you guys. I'm getting old. But yeah, like I'm excited, because I keep telling myself like, oh, I want to have a bob by my birthday. I want to have a bob, but I doubt in 3.5 months I'm gonna have a bob. But at the same time, like seeing how short my hair was 3 months ago, like, and how much growth has happened in the past, like I said, 3 months, I'm like rooting for myself, like please, like something happen. But I doubt I'm gonna have a bob. But I feel like that's probably not gonna happen until what, like maybe February or March of 2019, if it takes that long. I'm hoping it doesn't. My hair has not experienced any heat in it, nothing. Like it's literally all on its own, and I just like spray my hair with this every day, sometimes even 2 times a day. Like if I just feel like my hair is like dry, like if I'm not doing anything to it that day and I'm just like leaving it on its own and it just feels dry, I'll just go back in with this, and I like to like swirl it around and stuff so it can like make like little curls. As for products I've been using in my hair, I've only been using the same 2 as last time. This Enjoy conditioning spray, you can get this at a salon, or the Camille Rose Naturals Cocoa Nibs and Honey serum, you can get this at Target. I like to put this every Sunday morning so it can just kind of like soak into my hair. I don't like to put oils at night to where it gets all over my pillow. I cannot wrap my hair. It always falls off every time I put a do-rag on. I'm a crazy sleeper, I guess, so it always ends up across the floor or across the room somehow, so I just gave up on that. So I only use this on Sundays. Like I said, you can pick this up at Target. It's $14. I don't know how much this is. I think this might be like $12 to $20, but this is still up to here, and it's been 6 months, so that's lasted me. And this is, I'd say this is probably like halfway done. Need any recommendations for wrapping products, I guess, like if you're gonna wrap your hair up or if you're gonna do finger waves? I totally recommend the Lotta Body range. I got these from my beauty supply store. This is the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and this is the Style Me Texturizing Lotion. So yeah, that's everything I use in my hair. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back with another update at my 9-month mark, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to be uploading, so make sure you subscribe and you turn on my notifications and you check out all of my other videos. Make sure you check out Meditate, make sure you add it to your Spotify and Apple Music playlist, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!